Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashmita and I hope you all are doing well, guys. And yes, today's reaction is a compilation reaction armies. I'm going to be reacting to a video called When BTS is So Done with Army, huh? So this looked so interesting to me. So I definitely want to watch this out. This is quite an old video. It came in 2019 March, but it's a very popular video because I'm seeing it from the views. So without dealing this any further, because it's a 12-minute video, let's see what happens when BTS is done with ARMY. Okay. This should be interesting. I'm so excited to see. Alright, let's start, huh?
난 내 파트를 하는 게 너무 신기해가지고. 나 애정이 많이
Where
가요.
is this?
진짜. 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 파이팅, 진짜.
I'm also gonna do this.
Something in your eyes. Tell me who I am. Something in my heart.
잘했으면 좋겠어.
왜요? 멋쟁이라고요?
Oh, this is in a fan site.
알았어.
지민이 잘생겼다.
알아?
I think I might have seen this. I don't know, during Jin's birthday. This looks familiar to me, where Jimin hits Jin. Look at how he gets shy. Damn. Korean armies are so lucky, man.
알아?
Oh! Yoongo Pogo looking so cute. This looks very old. He doesn't know how to respond.
민영이를 고소합니다.
Oh, this is this. Oh, I will sue you, Min Yoongi. Oh, this army. I've been told she's a very famous army, and this thing got viral when she said, "Min Yoongi, I will sue you." And not once. I think it happened 2 or 3 times, maybe. Although this is that clip. This is that clip. Oh. Oh, wow. I'll probably be speechless. I mean, look at all these armies and they're so bold. I think because they're so used to going to fan signs and meet idols. So I'm guessing they can talk to them like that. I'll probably be like, okay. मैं तो इसी में खुश हूँ कि देख लिया. And she's literally saying, I will sue you. Because he hurts her. It's the same girl, right? It's the same girl. You are reporting me again. So even Yoongi remembers her, because I think a lot of regular armies, they go to fan signs, multiple fan signs, where BTS probably recognizes them that, oh, I saw you the last time also. Some people are born with kismat, huh? When did he have the green hair? Where is this looks airport? Because a lot of, I think when he was in US, Jin is so cute. I think the other people are wondering, who is this guy? Why is everybody giving this boy attention? Oh no! Shy Kim song. Oh, this was the cutest clip. I think this is the cutest thing I watched today. How Jin just became shy, and I think that guy is his manager. Look at him. Or bodyguard maybe. But looks like manager. Look at Yes, yes, worldwide shy guy. This is your DNA.
네? 커트? 네? 잘 그렸네요.
여기 112죠? 저기 변태가
Oh, Taeyong said something. Oh, this video is 12 minutes. Abhi 2 ही minute हुआ है. It's only 2 minutes. Oh my god. Armies are like another level, huh? The
여기
way she
112죠?
screamed.
저기 변태가
오빠 아니잖아요. 계속 오빠라고.
He doesn't like being called Oppa, huh? Why? Because he's what, the youngest, that's why? Huh? It's okay if people call him Bunny. I'm sure he's fine with that. He's like, I'm not your Oppa.
앞으로 질문을 갖고 있어요. 네, 그거 나이 보여주시고, 네, 잘 확인. 네, 그리고 맞아요. 저보다 어린 친구 석진이라고 부르지 마십시오.
So you're younger than me, don't call me Seokjini. And so Seokjin likes to be called Oppa.
알겠습니까?
I cannot get over that person who screamed J-Hope. That was epic, man. Who's screaming? Somebody else is screaming. Who's this fanboy? Oh my god.
자, 하트 한번 하자, 하트. 얘들아, 다 같이 하트. 하트, 다 같이. 하트. 감사합니다.
I want to know which show is this. I want to know. Aww.
내가 더 신기하다, 내가 더 신기해.
But that guy is like, am I dreaming? What is this? Wait. QF's appearance making Jungkook flustered. Okay. So this is he is a bacha moving at. Oh, okay. He looks like a kiddo. This is from, I think, No More Dream. Different from Jim and Jungkook, who's not even sparing a glance. Is there some sort of like a prank that is happening? Huh? Like the girl is supposed to prank him?
뭔데?
Oh.
요즘 우리 지민이 공부
What
열심히
happened? Why is it blurred? Wait, why did it get blurred?
열심히 하고
Okay, I don't know why it got blurred. I can't see. Maybe because of copyright. She could have cut it.
남자이고 싶어요.
안 들려.
Should I forward it? Because I can't see. Oh yes, this is a prank. He has understood it's a prank. He has understood it's a prank. If I'm this close to Yoongi now, I'm gonna and if it's a prank and if I've been instructed you just go close to him and make him uncomfortable, I'll just burst out laughing looking at this cuto. Yoongi's happy. Yoongi's very happy. Oh, this is Ellen. They go to the elevator and they meet. I know this. Oh, they have the mic drop outfits. How lucky. Cute.
지민아. 와 잘생겼다.
뭐라고요?
잘생겼다.
좀 크게 얘기해 주시죠.
잘생겼다.
지민이가 많이 못 들어본 말이거든요.
되게 슬프네요 그런 말.
Jimin doesn't hear often that he's handsome. Really? Really?
주고 싶어요 오늘?
첫 번째 한 명 누굽니까?
Can you tell me? Wait.
두 번째
This is some variety
주고
show.
싶어요 오늘?
첫 번째
Can you tell me the names of BTS members in today's panelist? Okay, who's the first one?
한 명
All right.
누굽니까?
랩몬스터
랩몬스터. 두 번째
지민
지민. 세 번째
두 명 아닌가요? 두 명 아닌가요?
Oh, he's like, I'm done with her. I'm done.
그대로 모르는 사람입니다. 랩몬스터 그리고 지민 방탄소년단.
Yeah, that time probably they were not that famous, but now, huh?
맞아?
What is this?
맞아?
Somebody else is there. Is it another Frank? So, what's happening here? Like she screamed. Is it Jin's room? But isn't it going to be obvious for Jin because everybody's shooting him? I mean, let me know. Of course, I don't know the entire context. Jin is such a scaredy cat.
진영이 어디가 안 좋아요? 나는 다 안 좋은데.
What happened? Oh, he hit somebody.
어디서 내가 내 남편이 나타났거든. 장난해? 장난한 거야?
That army would be like she got hurt, but I think she's the luckiest because firstly तो Jin ने उसको मारा, हाँ, मतलब like the thing he flicked it over her, and then she got hurt, and now Jin is like the most caring person, and he's like ensuring, are you okay? Nothing happened to you, and all the members are like scolding Jin. Imagine being this lucky. Imagine being this lucky when you go to a fan sign, huh? I'm gonna play this clip again. What do you dislike about Jin Young? Everything.
나는 다 안 좋은데.
어디서 내가 내 남편이 나타났거든.
How dare you hit my husband?
장난해?
See, everybody is asking. Jimin is also asking, are you okay?
장난한 거야?
Oh, Jin looks so young in this. I mean, he's still young. Jin needs to be an actor, man. In future, Jin needs to be an actor. This is my one true wish that I wanna watch him in a K-drama. Where he's probably a doctor or something.
She's
She's so shy. Oh, damn, they are looking so hot. Fanboy. So sweet.
東京では今日が最後ですね。普段から Bionwa.
The guy, the army who screamed. I mean, imagine the amount of strength that he would have used to scream Jimin's name. Oh my god. Oh, again it got blurred. Okay, it's just blurred a couple of clips. Let me just forward this. Let me forward this. Wait. Oh my god, that's twice! Oh!
없습니다. 방탄소년단도 어서 트와이스의 곡을 소개해 주세요.
함락 TT. 너무해.
Oh, TT! That's TT. Oh, well. Why can't I see such interactions? Like, this is Manne Manne they're singing. So this is Fire, 2016. Yeah, probably, you know. I don't see any female interaction, female idol interaction with BTS. At least in current scenario, I absolutely don't see it. So I don't know. Probably they're not allowed only now because people will start shipping them with, you know, the female idols and stuff. So they are also very conscious. But here, look how free they are. I'm so happy to see TWICE and BTS in the same space. That is so cool.
질 수 없습니다. 방탄소년단도 어서 트와이스의 곡을 소개해 주세요.
함락 TT. 너무해. 너무해.
둘, 셋.
샤샤샤.
Why does this sound like the Daechwita music? He's so adorable, man. Namjoon is so adorable. Namjoon would be like, you know, I'll try and hit it off with it. He looks like the kind of guy who would not be shy away to strike a conversation with a stranger. Huh? What do you guys think? Like how flustered Jungkook got. See, he's talking. See, look how free they are. In their initial years, again it got blurred. In their initial years, I don't think like it was much easier for them to, you know, show female interaction with female artists. Now, of course, because they are beyond famous. Like famous is also a very small word for BTS now. They're in that position where anything, like even if they look at somebody, it's gonna start a rumor. So I understand from that perspective, but I'm sure it's frustrating for them also. Because I'm sure they would have so many friends in the industry that they can't really freely talk to. Again, it's blurred. I'm gonna forward this. What? What is happening? See, the hairstyle is boy in love that time. Na, 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 na. Yes, Min Yoongi is good looking.
You're so handsome.
Oh, this is in US. Oh! Wow! Where is that from? That looks in US, of course. Is this Run BTS? No, this doesn't look like Run BTS. Yeah.
konnichiwa. BTSの
Look at the girls.
진짜? 워낙 가져오시니까 좀 더 모르니까
They don't go to these shows anymore now, right? I don't think it's only Run BTS that is their own variety show that they do. They don't go to shows like Knowing Brothers and all of that now, right?
진짜로 과연 할 수 있을지.
You can't see them doing fun stuff like this now. Baby Blue has always been strong. Oh my god, Seokjun is so handsome. Stars Wonderland. K-Stars Wonderland.
ちょっといいか。いいからちょっと来い。
Oh, they're acting like K-drama heroes, huh? I think Jimin would be perfect to flirt.
いえ、その
自分のことありがとうな。それだけじゃあな。
I think he's gonna hurt. Taeyong the actor. Look, I don't know why. Look at Jimin. He gives you the off that flirty vibe already. Oh no, it's over.
さあここでセリフですよ。セリフです。
私のおかげ
Look at Jimin. Look at Jimin. I don't know. Like I always have get this feeling that Jimin would be such a natural flirt. Like he'd be able to woo, woo and swoon the ladies and the men equally. That's what I feel. Look at him. Why is he talking like an anime character? It's over. That got over very abruptly, but this was so funny and this was so much. I had a blast watching it. I absolutely had a blast watching it. Cannot get over that army who just screamed jump like that. Oh wow, amazing. This was, every clip was fun to watch. Couple of clips where I didn't understand the context. You would, of course, I know you would let me know, because you guys, armies, you are all more educated than me of where, about giving me context of when this happened and what was the actual event that was happening where this was shot. So yes, I want to know the Jin's thing, where he enters the room and all the people are shooting him and this girl just screams out, because it looks like a prank, but why are people shooting him already? Were they shooting him for something else and then this girl was there? Do let me know. I'm really interested to know about that. So yes, that was my reaction for when BTS was so done with ARMY. I absolutely enjoyed it. And yes, please do subscribe to the channel if you're a K-pop lover, guys. And I will see you on my next video. Bye! Sarangi.